We out here in the garage, man. We out here in the garage. It's raining. I gotta do something about this. I don't like this. I gotta clean my gutters out. I don't like that. Drops off right there. I don't even think it's coming out the. Oh yeah, it's coming out there a little bit, but it drops off right there. I don't like it. But anyway. So I got my custom speaker parts. CustomSpeakerParts.com. And they are 2 6.5. Go in the back. I don't know why they keep coming down. I'm looking at some of my car. I see my damn fuel line keeps jumping down for some strange reason. Don't worry about it. We got something for that. But yeah. So what I'm about to do is the speaker. For some strange reason, I don't know why. It's supposed to be a 6.5, but for some strange reason, the speaker, the hole for the speaker ain't big enough. Yeah, it ain't big enough. So it's sitting. Let's see how it's. Yeah, I can't see it. Yeah, you can see how it's just slightly not big enough. So what I'm about to do is about to shade the edge around here, because I don't think it's big enough in that one either. Let me see. Oh no, this is one hand. Nope. See, it's hidden. It's hidden right there. So what I'm about to do, I'm just gonna shave a little material off of it, and I'm gonna do that to both of them. And yeah, I might see if I got some little screws or something, screw them down. But there ain't really no point in me screwing them down, because I gotta sand this. I don't think I want this that texture on there. I think I want it to be smooth. I ain't sure yet. It's probably gonna be a whole lot of sanding if I do that. A whole lot of sanding. So I don't know. But yeah, let me do this right quick, and I'll hit y'all right back. Shade a little material off. I was thinking about cleaning this shit up, but man, no one's gonna see that up under the speaker, so I ain't really worried about that. I might clean it up a little bit, trim some of these edges up, but I ain't really worried about that. It fit in there, so whatever. Yeah. Man, I know this is dangerous, but yeah, I gotta do what I gotta do. And this shit be hot too, boy. Woo! Check it out. So I cut that little perimeter up. Check these little shavings out. But I do got safety glasses on though. Just so y'all know. I am a pretty safe individual. For the most part. Even though a lot of this stuff I do be bald head hoe shit. A lot of, but let's see if I gotta show you some more. What's going on? There it is. For real? Yep. Sitting in there flush, y'all. Hold on for a second. Yeah. Sitting flush. So all I gotta do is screw that down. Come back. Knock this perimeter out around here. Bam, we in there like booty hell. Hold what you got. Yeah, so I just I got both of them opened up. So what I did was I took my my saddle tan, just ordered another can of that. Took that and sprayed on the side over here just to see how it looked. That's just one coat though, so that ain't even remotely the color that it'll be. But I'm trying to see if I want to leave this texture on here or not, or if I want to sand it down to it's smooth or whatever. Fill it in with some other filler primer until it's smooth or whatever. But I think I might just leave that little texture on there. Cause this one got a little texture on it. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let's see. It got a little texture. So I might just leave the texture on there and just be like whatever. Let's see. Yeah, I can't really tell because it's behind that glass, but yeah. But anyway. Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that, man. Show y'all what I got going on. I might take some pictures. Dog, you know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, I think that's what I'm about to do. Put them in the car and see what it look like. Man, we still moving and grooving. Like I said, man, May Rose still progressing, man. We still progressing with May Rose. She ain't nowhere near done. So, this what we got, man. So, yeah, I think that's gonna be about it for this video. And hopefully the next video I'll be installing them and we'll have some sound. Hopefully I'm trying to go and get me a radio, man. I still ain't figured out, you know, which way I want to go with my head unit. But y'all remember I put my details kit in here. So it's just sitting in here. Oh, it's just sitting in there, man. Waiting on some action. So yeah. Do that. Find me a head unit. And I gotta get the parts for the doors. Go right here. It's a 6.5 and a 5 1/4 going the doors. So there'll be a total of 8 speakers, 4 in the front, 4 in the back. I was thinking about going here with a speaker on both sides, but I don't think I'm gonna do it. They have a part for the back door. I don't think I'm gonna do it. I don't wanna do no overkill, you know what I'm saying? So this should be good enough for me, man. This should be plenty loud, good enough for me. I still ain't figured out my subs. Well, I ain't really even been thinking about no subs, because if I do go subs, it's gonna be American based. So yeah. But yeah, man, let me get these speakers out of here. Take them parts out and lay these in so y'all can see what we got going on. Hold up, y'all. I'm back. And I put the pod in, but I'm not gonna be able to put the speakers in there because it's gonna have to be modified. I don't know what I was thinking about telling y'all I was gonna come back and show y'all that, but this hole and this hole gonna have to be modified so they can fit down off in there. So I'm gonna take this whole thing out, modify it, and then put it back in there. Or I can just, Mike can just slide it behind the seat here. Yep, that's how it go, behind the seat. It slide behind the seat right there. But I'm still gonna have to cut this hole out. This hole should be fine over here. Maybe not. But I'm gonna have to cut this material out and cut this material out so the speaker will fit. And they'll hold the speakers, the weight of the speakers gonna hold it down. So it'll be bam and bam over there. Well, I ain't put that one in, but yeah. That's it. That's it, man. So yeah. There it is. 4 6.5s in the back. I'm gonna order the other one. 2 6.5s in the front and 2 5 1/4s in the front. So yeah, there it is. Glare. There you go. Also, man, I need to find me another window, man. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I got a whole bunch of little fine scratches on my window. So I need to do something about that. I don't like that. Yeah, we're gonna get it right though. We gonna get it right. See, that's almost blended. Just with that one coat on there. It's almost blended. So I might leave the texture on there. But the next time y'all see this, hopefully the next time y'all see these parts, my speakers will be in there. At least in the back. If I don't be in order the front parts already, the speakers will be installed in the back, and my I have a head unit, hopefully. Yeah. It's your boy Below 25, man. It is what it is.